So you just tested your well water and the pH is very low, let's say 5.5. The first thing you need to do is give us a call and we'll help you size equipment for your home. After getting your test results back and you find out you have a low pH, give us a call and we'll help you size the correct acid neutralizer for your home. People ask me, I have acid water, what do I do to treat it? Basically, there's two types of treatment. There's a chemical injection system, which we don't recommend and we don't sell. And there's different types of acid neutralizers, backwashing and non-backwashing. Typically, in most cases, if you have low or no iron in your water, we'll recommend a non-backwashing acid neutralizer. Typically, and this is what we recommend, you want to place your acid neutralizer after your pressure tank. People ask me, is this something I can install myself? And we tell them yes. We recommend installing it yourself, getting familiar with equipment, so when it comes time for service, you can take care of that as well. So within the first week after installing your acid neutralizer, if you have blue-green stains, you'll notice that's gone. The copper taste, gone. No more corrosion of the plumbing and the water using appliances. People ask me, do I need anything else with my acid neutralizer for the installation? And we recommend installing a pre-sediment filter to trap all dirt and sediment before it gets to the tank. The hardness will increase a little bit. What I recommend to my customers is put the acid neutralizer in, let it run for a week or two, then retest the water and see what your hardness goes up to. If you're below 7, you're good to go and you don't need a softener. If you're 7 and above, appliance manufacturers do recommend installing a water softener. People ask me, what's the maintenance I have to deal with as far as an acid neutralizer goes? And typically with something like the 2.5 cubic foot non-backwashing that you see here and a pH of say 5.5 in a household of 4 people, you're going to add calcite to the neutralizer about 50 pounds per 24 to 36 months.